Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out from Slack. Whether you're at the end of your workday or simply switching devices, signing out of your Slack workspace is a straightforward process. I'll guide you step by step to ensure you can easily and securely log out. Before we begin, it's helpful to remember that Slack stores active sessions across different devices. So knowing how to properly log out can prevent confusion and protect your data. First, you'll want to locate your workspace name in Slack. This is typically found in the top left corner of your Slack window. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams or projects. Once you've identified the workspace you want to log out of, go ahead and click on its name. This action will open up a drop-down menu with several options. Next, you'll notice a variety of settings and actions in this drop-down menu. Pay attention and scroll down gently, especially if you're managing different tasks within Slack or participating in various channels. Your objective here is to find the option that allows you to sign out. As you scroll to the bottom of this menu, look for the Sign Out of Workspace Name option. If you're using Slack through a web browser, this option might simply appear as Sign Out. This small difference is standard depending on your Slack interface, whether it's desktop or web-based, so don't worry if you see slight variations. You may even find that interface updates roll out periodically, so the layout could shift slightly over time. After you click on the Sign Out option, Slack might prompt you to confirm your decision to sign out. This additional step is in place for security reasons, ensuring that you truly intend to log out, especially if you've initiated the sign out accidentally. If you do see this prompt, simply confirm your decision, and that's all it takes to log out of a Slack workspace. On mobile devices, you may need to navigate through your profile settings first before seeing the Sign Out button, but the overall process is similar. Remember, regularly signing out, especially from shared or public devices, is a good practice to maintain security and privacy. Doing so ensures your conversations and sensitive information remain confidential and inaccessible to others after you leave the device. Also, logging out can help clear any current session issues, improving your Slack experience next time you log back in. This is particularly helpful if you've noticed notifications not updating properly or messages not syncing. As a quick additional tip, if you're working on shared or public computers, double-check to see if you're signed into any other sessions that need logging out. Following similar steps, you can ensure all your entries are secure, and you've maintained the confidentiality of your workplace communications. In some cases, you can also review and sign out of all active sessions from your Slack account settings, which is useful if you've used multiple devices recently. So, signing out of Slack is a simple yet crucial task to ensure your digital workspace remains secure and organized. With this knowledge, you can now log out confidently, knowing your workspace is managed effectively. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was useful, and subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one. Have a great day.